Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 is a powerful and versatile e-bike that stands out in a crowded market. With a peak motor output of 1400 W, this bike offers an exhilarating ride that can tackle steep hills and rough terrains with ease. The acceleration is impressive, providing a swift surge of power when you need it most, making it perfect for both commuting and recreational rides. One of the standout features of the Ranger 2.0 is its robust build quality. The bike feels sturdy, with a solid aluminum frame that supports a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. This durability translates into confidence while riding, allowing you to traverse various environments without worrying about the bike's integrity. The suspension system is well engineered, effectively absorbing shocks from bumpy roads and providing a smoother ride experience. The bike comes equipped with a large 48V20 lithium battery, which offers a remarkable range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. This impressive battery life ensures that you can enjoy longer rides without the constant worry of running out of power. Additionally, the battery is removable, making it convenient to charge it at home or office. The LCD display is user-friendly and informative, providing real-time data on speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This added functionality enhances the riding experience, allowing you to track performance effortlessly. The Ranger 2.0 also features a 7-speed gear system, which facilitates easy navigation through various terrains. Comfort is not overlooked, as the bike is equipped with a well-padded saddle and ergonomic handlebars that enhance the riding experience, making long journeys enjoyable. The inclusion of front and rear lights ensures safety during night rides. In conclusion, the Heybike Electric Bike Ranger 2.0 is an excellent investment for anyone looking to combine performance, comfort, and reliability in an electric bike. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, this e-bike is designed to exceed expectations and deliver joy on every ride.